Hey friends, welcome back to my channel, and in my today's video I'm going to show you this beautiful white, purple, pinkish eye look. It is super easy, anyone can do it. And let's start this look, starting with the concealer on the lid and setting the concealer with the powder. Today I'm going to use James Charles palette, and I'm starting with white eyeshadow in my inner lid from tear duct area. Now, as you know, I've started with a little bit of white eyeshadow, and I'm going in with white eyeshadow, slowly adding more and more till I can see that beautiful white color. After blending white eyeshadow in my inner lid, I'm going to add the pink shade from the palette. It's a dark pink color, and I'm starting to pack it in the middle of my lid and blending it with the white. I'm using a small blending brush. Using a small blending brush gives me more control. And then I'm going in with a dark bluish eyeshadow from James Charles palette. I'm going to add that shade in my outer lid and blending it with the pink shade, making sure both shades overlap each other and blending it slowly. Wherever required, I will add pink, and wherever required, I will add blue, just to make sure these two shades blend. Now you can see I'm trying to remove the harsh lines by blending it slowly, and then also blending on the edges of the shadow just to make sure it gives nice diffuse look. After blending these shades, I'm going to use again white eyeshadow in my brow bone, and I'm blending it to make sure all three shades blend nicely. Then I'm using concealer to create a wing and clean my eyes. This way the wing will look sharp. And then I'm going in with orange eyeshadow in my lower lash, adding some black liner on my lid. I'm going to create a wing on my lid. I really like wing, especially with the colorful eye looks. By the way, if you love my content, then do subscribe to my channel. My channel name is Beauty by Mehek, MEHK, remember that. And if you subscribe, it will give me really motivation to upload more of such content. After mascara and kohl in my eyes and with some lashes, this is my final look. Hope you love watching this tutorial. I will see you in my next video. Do subscribe.